Hey guys, in this video I would like to talk about build-up patterns and why you might need them. So let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about why we should use build-up patterns in the first place. For this, let's look at this example. I have a class called car engine which has three fields: name, horsepower, and year of construction, and a constructor to create a car engine object. On the left side, you can see that I have created two objects of the class car engine. The first one has a horsepower of 200 and was built in 2015. The second one has a horsepower of 2014 and was built in 200. As you can see here, I've done a mistake. I've swapped the two last values of the second object. That means that the second object has a wrong state. So how can we avoid mistakes like this? Now let's take a look at an example of creating a car engine object using build-up patterns. The first thing that we have to do is to call the static method builder, which creates an builder object. Then we have to chain all the methods which have the exact same name as the fields that we have in our car engine class. And the last thing that we have to do is to call the method build to create the actual car engine object. As you can see here in this example, it is less likely to make mistakes and set wrong values for each field. And even if you do make a mistake and set wrong values for a field, the bug is much easier to find because you can see exactly what values you have assigned to each field. Now let's start implementing the actual build-up pattern. For that, we need a static inner class called builder in our car engine class. An instance of the builder class is created by the static method builder of our car engine, which we haven't implemented yet. Here you can see the full implementation of the builder class. As you can see, the builder class has the exact same fields as the car engine class. For each field of the builder class, we have a method with the exact same name as the field name to set the value and to return the current instance of the builder class. This way we can chain the methods of the builder object like this. The last method of the builder class is the method build, which actually creates the car engine and returns it. Last but not least, we have to implement our static method builder, which creates an object of the class builder. It is very simple and looks like this. Now you can also see why our builder class has to be static, because the builder method, which creates the object of the builder class, is static itself. Now we have finished the implementation of the build-up pattern. As you can see on the left side, we can now create car engine object using build-up patterns instead of this error-prone constructor. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time.